go. I should've let you just walk on by, never even said hi. No, then we would never know just how hard it feels to open up hearts, to have to let them go. But we can't turn back now, 'cause we've come too far to not leave with broken hearts. I guess something inside my soul just couldn't stand to let you walk away so easily. No. And maybe in time we can figure out just what these moments are all about. All we guaranteed is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. I just need a little more time to make sure that we're doing this right. Oh yeah. I figured that I'd stop by just one more time and let you know what's really on my mind. Oh yeah. We both got a lot to say, but the words escape. It never seems to be an easy way. No. I hope and pray we at least get just a one more dance. We deserve to give this love a chance. 'Cause we got enough to try. We just need a little more time. Make sure we get it right. Oh yeah. And maybe in time we can figure out just what these moments are all about. All we guaranteed is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. Oh, I just need a little more time, Lord, to make sure that we're doing this right. Oh, I just need a little more time to make sure, yeah, what we're doing is right. Oh, I just need a little more time, yeah, to make sure that we're doing this right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're acting like a baby, and I think you don't mind pushing every button just to push me aside. I'm going really mad, you see, 'cause sometimes we've denied it. The little sign's been there all along. We stayed together 'cause we felt alone. You never dig when I'm in the zone, and now I've been childish, pretending I'm the only one to blame. It's not a single player kind of game. You feel the same. Just give me a break up. I think I'll pull off my makeup. Yeah. I don't need your checkup, 'cause I have already made up. It's almost a year since we blew it away. Thought my mind was made up, still I follow you to catch up. I couldn't look you in the eyes at the end. Took out every picture that we had to the trash. Thought that we could put it behind, but you keep on trying to call me. I try to work myself and disappear. You don't pretend you have some self-esteem. I never wanted to get back on team. We both regret these kisses. I gave up to the loneliness without a fight. We didn't really have to meet tonight. There is no doubt. Just give me a break up. I think I'll pull off my makeup. Yeah. I don't need your checkup, 'cause I have already made up. Just give me a break up. I think I'll pull off my makeup. I don't need your checkup, 'cause I have already made up my mind, yeah. In my iron suit, I dwell on my pursuits. And when the pistol shoots, I laugh while I cry. Between these iron walls, the stars will never fall, and the night will never come. But can't you see I'm over here? My arms are open wide, looking for someone to call home. It's always dark before the dawn. The colors of your heart painting the walls around mine. They shiver in gray. With my iron hands, I dance the iron dance. They do as I command. They move with the signs. In the break of day, I chase my thoughts away to a distant place so far. Can't you see I'm over here? My arms are open wide, looking for someone to call home. It's always dark before the dawn. The colors of your heart painting the walls around mine. Oh, they shiver in gray. And everybody wants to live before they die. So
angels behind the